But you gotta grab the... And you gotta let go. Don't forget to let go. 2 hands, bro. Let go! Ah! Damn. That probably hurt too. He landed on his side, dude.
No, he did good though.
Yeah.
The last time I seen with Papa, that's fucking friend. That's just cool, yo. The kid didn't die, but he landed on his back. We got on video, nigga. Put that on YouTube.
Damn.
Nigga, oh, you know, man. He said, help me.
This nigga made it. This nigga made it.
Fucking rope is kind of. How does that work? I guess I have to hold it.